Hi, in front of me is Huawei Honor 20i, and today I would like to show you how you can download pictures from Instagram. Firstly, open Play Store and type repos for Instagram. Then download this app from this developer. Meanwhile, you can go into your Instagram and select the photo that you want to download. For example, that one. Click at the three dots at the top right corner and choose Share To. Then tap on the Repost tab and open it. Select one of the options and click on the photo. Tap on the square icon to remove the label and tap the middle button. Now when I go into my gallery, I can see that my picture was successfully downloaded. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!